In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in Lovable Dev. A contact form is one of the quickest ways to let visitors reach you without exposing personal details. And with Lovable's AI assistance, you can generate a clean, ready-to-use form in seconds. I'll keep this simple so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. First, open your project in Lovable. Make sure you're in the project where you actually want the contact form to live, so the new UI appears in the right place. Once your project is open, you'll see the familiar Lovable interface with your files and the AI prompt area ready to take instructions. That's really all you need to have prepared. Next, type a clear prompt that tells Lovable exactly what you want. You can use this phrase verbatim. Add a contact form with name, email, and message fields. Short, direct prompts work best because they remove guesswork. You don't need to specify styles or layout unless you want to. Lovable understands the core idea and will handle the structure for you. If you prefer different phrasing, keep the essentials the same. Mention a contact form and the three fields: name, email, and message. After you submit the prompt, Lovable will auto-generate the form for you. You'll see a complete form UI appear in your project. This includes input fields for the name and email, plus a larger message field for the actual inquiry. Typically, the message field appears as a multi-line text area, so visitors can type comfortably. You'll also get a submit button added automatically, positioned in a way that fits the form's flow. The generated components are placed into your project context so they align with your existing structure and visual style as much as possible. If the generation takes a moment, that's normal. Lovable is assembling the UI and wiring the basic pieces together. You should see the inputs labeled clearly so visitors know what to enter. The email field is designed for email input, the name field captures a person's name, and the message field holds longer text. This gives you a complete, standard contact form without any manual layout work. That's all there is to it. Open your project, type the prompt, and let Lovable generate the form UI, input fields, and submit button. With those pieces in place, you have a straightforward contact gateway ready to use as part of your site or app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Lovable.